We welcome you to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Stream start times: 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 to 7:30 p.m. Central Time, 8 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And in Canada. Depends where in Canada. We start 8 to 10 o'clock p.m. Early birds type in Earlybird. Earlybird will spin at 5:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Full stream start time at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time in your area and others respectfully. Duck races will start thereafter. Thank you, Stickies. Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Early birds type Earlybird.
Stickies is so much fun.
We want to welcome you to the show.
I am so glad I found Sticky's best time I have had in years.
Stream opening starting time 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races starting time 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time at full stream opening time. We have the bin/no bin or spin. We have the Wheel of Doom, the last man standing. Friends chat fun and games all stream long. New prizes every week. We add prizes weekly.
Always so much fun at Sticky's.
The fun never stops at Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Lots of nice prizes to be won.
I really enjoyed the duck races. It was easy to win a nice prize. Thank you.
Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the notification bell as to be notified when Sticky's post next. Nothing but love and a little peace.
I will return. I hope you do.
Welcome new friends and welcome back friends and family.
I enjoyed the bin, no bin, or spin. Thank you.
We thank you for your support.
Who's ready for a duck race?
What time is it? It's time for the duck races. Let's go. Quack, quack. Quack. Happy Friday, friends and family. We hope you have a safe and happy time till we see you all again. This is a family-friendly channel. Please, no politics or religion. Thank you. Lots of love from your friends here at Sticky's. Truly yours, Jerry, Robin, and Grams B.
I don't know where I'm going, but I know one thing for sure, yeah.
See you soon.
So much more. I could be a fighter when your back's against that wall. You're walking on a wire. Oh, headed towards that ball. I'll be trying on the fire. No prayer and no way down, baby. Let me be a fighter. By your side, I'm going out.
Thank you from Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. We welcome you to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Stream starts 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Early birds type in Earlybird. Earlybird spinner wheel starts at 5:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Let's go. Quack, quack.
Sticky's and Stickman Outdoor Adventures 2024. Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button. Puppies Roxy and Daisy and Kitty Henry say let's go.
Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways brought to you from Stickman Outdoor Adventures 2024.
Darn it, I can't get through.
Sorry, but the number you have dialed is in an alternate dimension. Please hang up and rotate your phone 180 degrees, flip it around, and try again 15 minutes ago from last Tuesday.